Palak Paneer. Want to know the history of your favorite Palak Paneer? Or, how the greens evolved in Indian household? Check out my step-by-step recipe for making Palak Paneer at home. Process. In pot, blanch spinach leaves in boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove and transfer immediately into ice-cold water. Now into blender add ginger, garlic and make paste, then add cooked palak and make smooth paste. For Palak Paneer, heat ghee in pan and add bay leaf, cumin seeds, asafoetida. Stir for a minute until fragrance goes off. Now add onion and garlic, sauté until they turn translucent. Add tomatoes and stir till they turn soft. Add turmeric, red chili, kasuri methi, crushed coriander seeds and some coriander powder and mix well. Add some chopped palak leaves. Now add prepared palak puree, hot water, adjust salt and give a nice stir. Transfer paneer cubes, sprinkle garam masala and allow it to cook for another a minute. Finish with fresh cream and fold it into gravy. Garnish with ginger julienne and fresh cream. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe.